Hey, you know, it's one thing I'm learning, and that is that every single day we have to do the work. We have to do the work. That deep work, the work that it hurts. The work where you have to confront yourself. You have to confront yourself. You have to confront yourself. And you got to be honest with yourself about your shortcomings. You got to be honest with yourself about your blind spots, those weaknesses from the past experiences, from the trauma, from the pain, from the past mistakes, from the pain, the things that have happened to you and the things that you've done to others. Like just doing the work and being honest without feeling sorry for yourself, without moping and complaining and taking that woe is me mentality, but instead saying, where can I grow? Where can I be better? What can I learn? What is the lesson in this? What is the lesson in this? And really do that deep, tough work daily.